everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 29th of December to the 2nd of January 2025 on Monday. T-Boss is furious to learn that Mapitsi is writing a tell-all book about her affair. A troubled woman faces homelessness and hunger. Mantuli fears for Clement's safety on Tuesday. Ledo thinks it may be too late to halt the publication of Mapitsi's book. Mr. Homo deceives Melita and pegs regarding Ivy's whereabouts. Clement becomes increasingly desperate for a fix on Wednesday. New Year's Eve brings reflections and celebration throughout Teflop. Mapitsi is determined to win the war, not the battle, on Thursday. Mr. Homo starts the year with a confession that shocks his household. Evelyn speaks plan for a Cape Town trip with Musejadi hits a snake on Friday. Mantuli is disturbed when rumors surface about Clement's wild lifestyle. Tibo struggles with guilty following an unsettling uncover with Matlate Kununtu. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.